In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a horizontal opt-in form in GetResponse. If you've ever wanted to engage more effectively with your audience or streamline your email collection process, this guide is just for you. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you can easily create a visually appealing and functional opt-in form tailored to your needs. Let's dive right in by logging into your GetResponse account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Tools section. Here you'll find a variety of options, but today we're focusing on forms and pop-ups. This is where the magic happens, and we'll be working on crafting a seamless opt-in form that fits perfectly on your website or landing page. Now that you're in the Forms and Pop-ups section, it's time to click on Create Form. This will lead you to a rich gallery of templates. Exploring this gallery, you'll notice a wide array of design choices. If you're looking to keep things simple yet effective, pay special attention to the horizontal or inline templates. These templates are designed with a sleek, linear approach, ideal for not disrupting the flow of your website's layout. Select a template that resonates with your brand or the theme you have in mind. If you prefer a more hands-on approach and wish to start from scratch, there's also an option for a blank template. Once you've made your selection, click on Use Template to proceed. Next, we're on to customizing the form. This is where you can really bring your vision to life. Depending on your chosen template, you'll find various elements you can tweak. You can change colors, modify fonts, and add your own text to align with your brand's identity. Don't forget to personalize the call to action. An engaging, clear message can significantly influence conversion rates. Keep in mind that while aesthetics are important, functionality is key. Make sure the fields you include are necessary, but not overwhelming. The goal is to encourage signups, not discourage them with an overly complex form. Throughout this process, pay attention to the preview option. This handy feature allows you to see how your form will appear on different devices. With more users browsing on mobile, ensure that your opt-in form maintains its appeal across desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Once you're satisfied with your design, the next step is to save and publish your form. GetResponse provides easy integration options, whether you're embedding the form into an HTML page or linking it directly to your website. And just like that, your horizontal opt-in form is ready to capture leads and build your email list efficiently. There you have it, a straightforward process for creating a horizontal opt-in form in GetResponse. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or new to email marketing, this tool offers flexibility and a user-friendly interface, helping you engage your audience like never before. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.